May we now call on stage the Director of the Civil Security Group, Major General Leo Francisco.
To our Honorable Senator J.B. Harris, sir. Of course, we have here with us the APAD officers, the President, Mr. Edwin Lim, the Vice President, Mr. Reynaldo Espineli, Ma'am Cristina Tuason Gonzalez, Mr. Edwin Año Jr., of course, Mr. Alaric Alexander Topacio, Mr. Patrick Junicio, Mr. Dino Reyes, Ma'am Mary Grace Parilla, Miss I.B. Eileen Sapasa, and other participants of the 13th APAD Defense and Sporting Arms Show. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Police Major General Leo Francisco, the current Director of the Civil Security Group based in Camp Crame, and I am extending my heartfelt gratitude to APAD for organizing this 30th APAD Defense and Sporting Arms Show. This event not only highlights the importance of promoting responsible firearm ownership, but also serves as a platform to strengthen partnership between shareholders and the government in advancing security, compliances, and public safety. So your steadfast commitment to enhancing the firearms and ammunition industry while promoting safe practices aligns with our shared mission of ensuring a secure environment for every Filipino. We recognize the crucial role that each of you plays in nation building, and for that, in behalf of the Philippine National Police and the Chief PNP, who will also grace this occasion maybe in the next coming days, we are expressing our deepest appreciation and thank you very much for this organization. Maraming salamat po sa collaboration, sa support na binibigay nyo sa Philippine National Police. And as the Director of the Civil Security Group, it is my duty to ensure that we continuously improve the processes and services we provide to you. In line with this, I would like to take this opportunity to reiterate our commitment to modernizing and streamlining the procedures for the issuances of permits and licenses. To address the growing demands and ensure efficiency, we are actively working towards the digitalization of our processes. By leveraging technology, we aim to minimize the traditional system of requiring our stakeholders to physically go from one office to another to secure necessary approvals. Instead, we are designing a fast-track, user-friendly, and transparent system that will benefit all of us. This initiative is intended not only to expedite the processing of permits, but also to reduce unnecessary delays, improve accessibility, and uphold the highest standard of governance. Ultimately, our goal is to provide you, our valued stakeholders, with the convenience and efficiency you deserve, while maintaining compliance of all the legal requirements. For this event, we are fully supporting the LTOP Caravan by deploying the necessary personnel to assist in its success, and we will ensure that the necessary measures are in place to meet your expectation and accommodate the expected number of participants and attendees. So let me once again express our gratitude to APAD for this initiative and to everyone who has contributed to the success of this event. Your collective efforts serve as a testament to the power of collaboration and shared responsibility. May we continue to work hand in hand in fostering a culture of safety, responsibility, and progress for the benefit of our nation. Again, thank you, and looking forward for a productive and minimum partnership with all of you as we move forward for the progress of our nation. Thank you very much, and magandang umaga muli sa inyo.